All right, here we go. TD-50, mostly rubber cymbals. This was a experiment that I don't love with this stealth cymbal trigger on a Gen 16 Zildjian cymbal. These are the Aquarian on heads, or in this case it's the alternate mode version called the Hybripads, and they just literally sit on top of the acoustic drum. There it is. And that's what's on every single one of these, except they don't make an 8-inch one, so I'm using a Roland pad for my 8-inch right now. Roland hi-hats, that's the V-drum snare drum, and this is like the Roland kick drum, but I really think the smaller trigger pads, the KD-7s, work just as well. Cool. And then without amplification,